The Suzuki Grand Vitara's infotainment system, featuring SmartPlay Pro Plus, offers seamless Bluetooth and navigation. To pair your phone via Bluetooth, go to Settings, Bluetooth, select Pair Device, and confirm on your phone. It supports calls and audio streaming. For navigation, use the pre-installed Maps app, usually Google Maps or Waze. Voice commands like Navigate to Address provide hands-free control. Remember, navigation relies on your phone's data connection, so ensure you have a stable signal. The Grand Vitara supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. First, enable wireless Android Auto or CarPlay in your phone's settings. Once connected, the infotainment screen mirrors your phone's interface for easy access to apps, calls, and media. Use voice commands to minimize distractions while driving. If you encounter issues like pairing failures, try resetting the system via Settings, System, Reset. Note that system updates are pushed over the air, so make sure to install updates when prompted.